Fix iPhone stuck on the dark mode with these 7 solutions. Turn off dark mode from the control center. Open the Settings app and go to Control Center. Scroll down and look for dark mode. Tap on the plus icon to add it to the control center. On iPhones with Face ID, swipe down from the top right corner. On iPhones with a home button, swipe up from the middle bottom. Locate the dark mode button and tap on it to turn it off. Force restart the system. Quickly press the volume up button on your iPhone's left side. Then, quickly press the volume down button. Press the side button until you see the Apple logo. Release the side button and wait for the iPhone to load. Disable or delete the dark mode filter. Open Settings and go to Focus. Select the focus you want to edit. Scroll down to the bottom and, under Focus Filters, tap on Dark Mode. Turn off the filter by toggling off Enabled, or tap on Delete Filter. Disable Automatic Dark Mode Switching. To turn off automatic dark mode switching, go to the iPhone Settings app, tap on Display and Brightness. Turn off Automatic. If you want to keep the automatic switching, but the dark mode schedule doesn't fit yours, change the time depending on your preferences. Leave Automatic on and tap Options. Select Custom Schedule and choose a time for light and dark modes. Disable Accessibility Settings. Open Settings and go to Accessibility. Tap Display and Text Size. Scroll down and disable Smart Invert and Classic Invert. Update your iPhone operating system. In the Settings app, go to General Settings. Tap Software Update. If an update is available, tap on Update Now. Reset all device settings. In the iPhone settings, go to General. Scroll to the bottom and tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap Reset and select Reset all settings. Enter the passcode and confirm the action. If you're using a Mac computer, we would like to suggest scanning it with Combo Cleaner. It will check your computer for malicious software infections and advertising supported software. The Disk Cleaner option will scan your computer for app caches, logs, downloaded files, and files still sitting in the trash. It will also show you how much space what files take up on your Mac. Combo Cleaner will also help you look through all big files on your Mac and delete those you don't need. You can also scan Mac for duplicate files. Sometimes you might not know that you have a few copies of the same file. A privacy scanner that will help you remove cookies, cache, browse history and more. And an app uninstaller that will find all hidden app components and uninstall them for you. You won't need to worry about viruses and clutter on your Mac anymore. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to our channel.